Hey guys, watch this.
It will be like a broken tune, spinning around under the pale moon. Your laughter echoes in my veins, a melody wrapped in joy and pain. All of me loves all of you, from your shadows to your hues. Every crack, every scar, every line, you're the song that makes me shine.
Okay, so that was cool, right? Now, what if I told you you can make that exact kind of video yourself, and for free? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a full love song using only free AI tools. And not just the song, we'll also make stunning romantic visuals of our hero and heroine, add motion with AI, and turn it into a fully edited music video in CapCut. And guess what? You can even upload these videos to YouTube and start making money from them. So if you're ready to unlock your creative powers and earn while having fun, let's go. Step 1. Get song lyrics from ChatGPT. First things first, we need lyrics for our song. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Tool name, ChatGPT. Now in the chat box, type this prompt. Write a romantic English song about a man singing to a beautiful woman he's in love with. Make it sweet, poetic, and emotional. Then hit enter and boom, ChatGPT will start generating your lyrics. You'll get something dreamy and touching, perfect for a love song. Read through, and if you want to tweak any lines, you totally can. Step 2. Convert lyrics into a song using Sonode AI. Now that we have our lyrics, it's time to turn them into music. Let's head over to Sonode.ai, tool name, Sono. Click Create a Song. Paste your ChatGPT lyrics into the text box. Choose a vibe, romantic, pop, acoustic, you pick. Hit create. Within a few seconds, Sono will generate your full song with vocals and music. Preview it, and when you love it, click download. Step 3. Generate image prompts from ChatGPT based on song mood. Alright, now let's go back to ChatGPT because we want to generate some visuals that match our song. So in ChatGPT, type this. Give me 2 detailed image prompts based on a romantic love song. One for the man singing, one for the woman listening. I want cinematic, emotional vibes, field of flowers, golden hour, dreamy look. ChatGPT will give you 2 prompts, something like Prompt 1 for the man. A young man sitting in a flower field at sunset, wearing a white shirt and beige pants, barefoot, holding a guitar, looking emotional and thoughtful. Prompt 2 for the woman. A young woman standing in wildflowers during golden hour, wearing a pastel dress, flower crown, smiling softly, wind gently blowing her hair. Step 4. Create stunning AI images with Leonardo.ai. Alright, bestie. Now it's time to actually see our hero and heroine. Yup, we're turning those vibes into visuals, like straight up bringing our characters to life. And for this, we're using one of my fave websites ever, Leonardo. AI, seriously, it's a game changer. But if you want to explore, you can totally use Paclumen too. It's another free text-to-image tool. Your story, your call. But for now, let's stick to Leonardo. Go to Leonardo.ai. Click on the image generation tool. You'll see a big OL page pop up with a prompt box and all the settings on the side. Paste your character prompt, copy the hero prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the box. Change the settings, super important. Model. Choose Phoenix 1.0, trust me, it slays for this kind of stuff. Auto prompt. Turn it OFF. We don't need extra help here. We're the pros now. Click generate, wait a few seconds. The magic's cooking. Download the best 1 or 2 images. You'll get 4 images. Choose the ones that scream main character energy and download them. Now repeat the same thing for the heroine. Just replace the prompt in the box with your girl character's prompt and do the exact same settings. Generate, pick, download. And that's it. Our AI image scene is done. Your hero and heroine are now real? Well, kinda. And they're ready for the next cinematic step. Step 5. Add motion to the hero with HeyGen Avatar 4 Motion. Now we'll animate the man's image with a cool new feature from HeyGen. Go to heygen.com, tool name, HeyGen, select Photo to Video with Avatar 4. Upload the image of your man. Upload your song audio, make sure it's 15 seconds long. Let it generate and download your motion video clip. Step 6. Add motion to the woman using Runway ML. Now let's add soft, romantic motion to our heroine's image using Runway ML. Here's exactly how to do it. Go to runwayml.com and sign in. Click on Generate Video from the homepage. Upload your heroine's image by dragging and dropping it into the tool. Paste the same prompt you used when creating the image. This helps keep the vibe consistent. Set the duration of the video to 10 seconds instead of the default 5. Click Generate and wait a few seconds while the tool creates your motion video. Download your video once it's ready. And that's it. You've just turned your still image into a smooth, cinematic video clip. Step 7. Final editing in CapCut. Let's bring all the clips and song together. Open CapCut app, tool name, CapCut. Import your AI-generated song from suno.ai. Add both motion clips Sky plus Girl. Arrange them in sync with the lyrics. Add transitions, filters, and maybe subtitles for extra effect. Use soft effects like cinematic bars, warm filter, light leaks. When you're happy with the final vibe, export your video. And that's it. You just made a full love song plus cinematic visuals plus music video using only free AI tools. Isn't that crazy? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what AI project we should try next. Love ya, stay creative.
Nabila out.